Did you know that one of Jamaica's most famous natural wonders was once a battlefield? That's right, I'm talking about the spectacular Dunn's River Falls. Let's dive into the fascinating history behind this iconic landmark. Way back in 1657, this very spot was the site of a fierce battle between the Spanish and the English, both vying for control of Jamaica. The Spanish originally named the area Los Corrales, which beautifully translates to the waterfalls or the springs. You can just imagine the sound of the cascading water echoing as soldiers clashed. Ultimately, the English were victorious, claiming not only the falls but the entire island. Interestingly, the name of the nearby town, Ocho Rios, which means 8 rivers in Spanish, is thought to be a corruption of that original Spanish name, Los Corrales. It's a cool little linguistic quirk that connects the town to the falls' history. For a long time, the falls were part of a huge 176-acre private estate called Belmont. Can you imagine having that in your backyard? It wasn't until 1972 that the Jamaican government stepped in and purchased the property, with a vision to share its beauty with everyone. After the government acquired the land, the transformation began. They developed it into the stunning public park and world-renowned tourist attraction we know and love today. They built new roads for easier access, added decks for amazing viewpoints, and made sure the natural environment was preserved while making it safe and enjoyable for visitors. So, the next time you think of Dunn's River Falls, remember it's more than just a beautiful cascade of water. It's a place steeped in history, from epic battles to its evolution into a national treasure. It's a testament to Jamaica's rich heritage and natural splendor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little trip back in time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world. See you next time.